Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to write a C++ program to find number of occurrences of given character in a file. The problem definition is like this. Write a C++ program to find number of occurrences of given character in a file. The user will enter a specific character to search in a specific file, and our C++ program should find how many characters are occurring in the given file and then display the count of this number of characters. The steps to be followed are: first, accept the file name, then accept a character to search in that particular file, open the file in input or read mode, initialize one variable count to 0, set a while loop up to end of file. While not end of file, read a line from a file, one line at a time. In that line, check if given character matches with the characters in a line. If yes, increment the counter to count the characters. After termination of the loop, display the value of count variable as number of occurrences of given characters, and finally close the file. Now let us see the actual C++ program using dev C++ compiler. So this is a C++ program to count occurrences of particular character in a given file. So let us include first of all the IOStream header file and fstream header file. We will require one additional header file, that is string.h, because we are going to use one string function. So after including the required header files, so let us start the main program. So first of all, the declaration part. For this program we will require one character type array, that is a line of size 80. In this line array we will read a line of text from a file. Then fname array is required for accepting the file name from user. Ch, this is a character to be searched in a file. Then some integer variables I for setting the loop to count or to go through a line of text. Then the len is to find the length of line, that is the how many characters are there in a line, and the count variable to count the number of occurrences of given character. Now the first step is accept file name using scene fname. So after accepting the file name, it is required to open this file in input or read mode. So for that we will require one input stream object. Let us say fin is my input stream object, and using that input stream object fin, the member function open is called to open the file in input mode. So like this, fin.open fname, that is a file name entered by the user, and ios in is the file mode, that is the file is open in input mode or the read mode. Now let us check whether the file name entered by the user, that file exists or not. So for that, this is the if condition. If not fin, if this condition is true, then the error message file does not exist will be displayed, and the control will come out of the program, that is exit from the program. If this condition is false, means file is existing, then it will go further, continued for further operation. So then it will accept the which character to search in that particular file. So enter the character to search, then that will be accepted in a variable ch using scene extraction ch. So our character to search is now available in the form of ch variable. The next step will be find the given character in a file using the loop. So here first of all we have to set the loop. While fin.uof is equal to 0, so this loop will be set from beginning of file up to the end of file, and during this up to end of file, we will read the line from the file, that is using getLine function. The getLine member function is called using fin stream object, and the line will be read from the given file and it will be stored in line array. And the line of the size of line is calculated, so that that many characters will be considered in a line. Now next, it is required to find the length of that line. That is, using string length function, we will find out the size of this line or how many characters in that line are there, so that we can set the loop from 1 to the length of the line. So set the loop from 1 to length of the line, and within that loop let us check whether the character in a line, that is the line of I, indicates the individual character in a line, whether it is matching with the character entered, that is a CH. So our if condition will be line of I is equal to CH. If this condition is true, we will increment the counter by using increment operator plus plus count. So like this loop will be continued up to the end of the line, and within that line it will check whether the character is matching with CH, that is the entered character. Then if the condition is true, it will go on incrementing the counter, and after end of the line it will go for the next line within the loop, and then for every line the loop will be set and the condition will be tested whether the entered character is matching with the line character, and if yes, then, or if true, then the count will be incremented. So at the end of the loop, the end of while will be encountered and the loop will be terminated. Then let us check what is the value of count. If the character is not available in that particular file, then the count will not increment and the value of count will remain 0. And let us check if the value of count found 0, that is if count is equal to 0, means there are no characters found in that particular file, and we will display the message character not found in a file. And if the value of count is greater than 0, means the count variable is incremented, means the character is available in that particular file, and in the else part we will display the character found in a file, and the number of occurrences of that character in that file will be displayed using the count variable. So like this, cout insertion number of occurrences is equal to insertion value of count variable and the end of the line. So in this way, if the character found, then the number of occurrences will be displayed, and if character not found in that file, then that error message will be displayed character not found. And finally the file will be closed and the main function will be terminated. So in this way, this is a C++ program to find the number of occurrences of particular character in a file. Now let us run this program and check. So I am running this program now, executing it. It will ask first of all to enter the file name. Let us check. Yes, so it is asking for the file name, so I will enter the file name which is not existing in my particular folder. So let us see qwer.txt. Let us check whether the file is available or not. So it is displaying the error message that qwer.txt file does not exist. So now let us check the existing file. So I will show you my folder. This is my folder, and in this folder I have this sample file. I will show you the contents of this file also. So this is sample.txt file, and in this sample.txt file these are the contents. 3 lines are there and some lines, and the characters are available. You can see here some characters are available, and I will test whether the character is found or not found. So let us run this particular program with this sample.txt as an input file. So I will enter now the sample.txt as a file name. In this file I want to search the character. Now it is asking to enter a character to search, means the file found. Now it is asking for the character to search. Now I will enter the character to search as suppose W. So let us see how many W's are there. So W character found in a file and number of occurrences are 2. So there are 2 W's in this particular file. Let us run this file and check for another character. So again I will enter sample.txt, the same file name, and now this time I will enter A. So let us check how many A's are there. So a character found in a file and number of occurrences is equal to 10, means a character is available in this file 10 times. That is the number of occurrences. Now I will run this program again and will enter the character which is not available in that particular file. So again I will enter the file name as sample.txt, which is already available. I already shown you. Now enter a character, let us say Q. So let us check whether the Q is available or not, and yes, Q character not found in a file. So Q character is not available in a file, and in this way it will display only the error message character not found in a file and will not display number of occurrences. In this way you can write a C++ program to count occurrences of particular character in a given file. Hope you understood how to write a C++ program to find the number of occurrences of a given character in a text file. Thank you for watching my video.